City FM Ouch Palangi. Kotiani Vikimania Punjas. Celebrating 90 years. KV Not Patel.
Yabraka, top of the morning to all our friends tuning in, and we say Andrew Vinaka and
Good
welcome
morning.
to Ouch Palangi show
Right.
on a Friday morning, a beautiful Friday morning. We say Mbulu Vinaka as well to all the listeners tuning from the hotel industry.
Right.
Who are working there. Kita wanda chukili bikini to those are andundua.
Dina Sara.
And the hotel that we borong bulu bikina and amataka ni baka dhambi sigri kwa. Andrew Vinaka Mika, Andrew Vinaka Samu.
Hey, good morning.
Good morning to you too, to both the Turanganga.
Yes,
No,
yes,
Vinaka.
from the
Yo.
northern side.
Northern side.
Right,
Good morning to you too. Thank you very much for joining in to all the viewers.
Some of this from the north.
Some is from the he's from the northern of Fiji.
Oh, okay.
We are from the northern province.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
All right.
When I say when I was at the taxi base there in Dombachi,
Yeah.
I always told the boys that I am from the province of Northern.
Northern.
And one fellow from Monolem said, No, I want to correct you.
Yeah.
It's a Woli Cookie.
Good morning to Peter Masilava
Right.
in Nambenia.
Right.
From Sacramento, Sacramento, Australia. Sacramento, America.
Yeah.
Good morning to Bill Lesenia. Thank you very much for tuning in this wonderful morning.
He's got a
Right.
new haircut, Samu. He's got a new haircut.
Who's?
Oh, Turanatau.
Bill Lesenia?
Yeah.
He's a
I said,
car.
that Timbu.
Jeda
Jeda
Tibu.
Timbu.
Oh, I thought Bill Lesenia got a new haircut. Jeda Timbu Turangatawacha, he forced to cut his hair.
Yeah, he was first.
So what happened?
He was forced. No, the mother.
Tell
and
us the
father,
story.
The mother and the father are here,
Yeah.
and all the family.
Yeah.
Right.
And all the family, they beg him.
Yeah.
You have to cut your hair,
Right.
Turangatawacha.
Yeah.
Yeah, but
Because
the-
it's not dirty.
Huh?
It's dirty.
No, it's not dirty.
Yeah, it makes him look old. Even I'm older than him. But when he was growing his hair,
Bushy.
he's like older than me. 10, 20 years.
Oh.
He's very catchy. He's young.
Oi.
No,
Yeah.
no, because they said that sometimes in the night when they sleep, they saw one big mbitu
Yeah.
coming from the window.
Oh, okay.
And Tabata's family,
Yeah.
they were like afraid, scared.
Yeah,
Yeah.
right.
Why is this happening every time?
The
Yeah.
people from outside thought that my boss is one girl.
That's the idea.
You know, it used to be happening in the village, eh?
Yeah.
When you want one girl like this, you go to the window, you take one big mbitu of the cow.
Yeah.
Poke, mother. And that's what's happening in Uthi place there in Palelewu.
Andrew Vinaka,
Timbu said,
Yeah.
Janet Timbu said, okay, watch you make carry. Apa ukinangele buki Mbulu Vinaka, Kumar Chini from Baravel Road, Messinga Toka,
Yeah.
and Seru Kurmera, Masta Mbulu Vinaka.
Andrew Vinaka.
Isa, Vinaka Samu na Papa my Holy Family Secondary School. Hey!
Okay, what happened to your tamale?
My
Them
tamale,
skakay.
because he is selling the grog.
Yeah.
Oh,
Okay.
yeah.
Advertising the grog is very
Okay,
good.
Demes is sick today.
Yeah.
They
Today's
can't make it to
business
work
day.
here.
Yeah.
Right?
And
Today is not sick.
Yeah.
Today is business day.
that Demesi,
Yeah.
because he want to chalak me.
Oh, okay.
He want to chalak me.
Okay, what is
he
salak?
told me last week,
Huh?
we have to buy 2 braskata.
Oi.
We have to 2 braskata, buy 2 braskata.
Right.
We start our own new business.
Oi.
What kind of business, Tabale? We have to go around. We put in the
You know,
Facebook.
you guys are doing it's not legal.
No, because he got the license.
Okay.
He got the license for this.
Yeah.
He told me, Tabale,
Yeah.
no, this thing is not yet happen.
Oh,
Yeah.
okay.
Not yet happen.
Okay.
We like dreaming. Eh?
Oh, stop dreaming, guys.
And he told me, okay, Tamale,
Yeah.
we'll go to houses and houses,
Yeah.
ask for them to cut the grass.
Yeah.
Oi.
And after we got cut the grass,
Yeah.
we got that money, we come home, we buy the grog.
Oi, okay.
Ausabango, senga you win your kemunegori.
Yeah.
Because we pick the money,
Yeah.
and we go and buy his own grog.
Right.
Boy, look at that idea, boy. If myself is not kinder,
Yeah.
oh, myself will more than
Finish.
Boko.
Finish. Fella said for you to buy the braskata
Yeah.
from your account.
Whoa! Yeah, but now,
Yeah.
now everything happened out of our dreaming.
Yeah.
It's like he's suffer now.
Oh,
Oi.
okay.
Because of that Yangona.
Oi, kau biar lawa kita giko.
You want to con me, chalak me,
Right.
Yeah.
but the sickness is con him now.
All right.
What sickness?
The stomach, when he's staying at home,
Yeah.
the stomach is
Oh.
something wrong inside the stomach.
Oh,
Okay.
because
Maybe they are
his
happy.
grog,
Yeah.
he was advertising his grog is Bernadenga.
Iyo.
Yeah.
And now the Bernadenga,
Yeah.
Yeah.
Silas Taliba,
Yeah.
goes back to him.
Right.
Because as gang, we
Yeah.
have the strong organs.
Yeah.
Not like him.
Immune
eh?
system.
Yeah, immune system.
Yeah.
His immune system is very weak. If you look at him,
Yeah.
his shirt is bigger than him. It's like hanging in the
Yeah.
hanger.
Yeah.
Even the t-shirt he was wearing yesterday, the Jesse.
Yeah.
It's like hanging on the hanger. And this, our Kalamata,
Yeah.
the company Kalamata,
Yeah.
that day when we were drinking with clients,
Yeah.
hey, you the hanger.
Yeah.
Because the shirt is big. So, because you know what? Can you get the number there?
Oh.
Oi.
When he suffered this sickness,
Yeah.
and my mind is rewind back.
Okay.
Rewind back that day when the boss tell him,
Yeah.
you're very small.
You were
And
saying,
why your stomach is very big?
yeah, right now his stomach
Oi.
is getting bigger.
Maybe
Okay,
he drink
okay.
one medicine.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, Tapale, don't worry.
Yeah.
My VV is about to come.
Huh?
I'll give you one.
You what?
I'll give you one. I'll give you one. Because every time.
Please say it slowly, Sabu. Meron rota lima dalawa. Nambimbi ni Wayne. Okay. First of all, the what does it do to the body?
Okay, first thing,
Yeah.
when you drink this medicine,
Yeah.
you have to drink a lot of sugar.
Oi.
Take a lot of sugar because your
Small
sugar,
boy. So Demes is a small boy.
Small boy.
Big sugar.
big sugar.
Right.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Disappear your sugar,
Yeah.
disappear your salt in your body. You have to take it a little bit up. If
What
you
is the name of the medicine?
Hey,
Yeah.
the Messi and Mika was laughing that day.
Yeah.
And
Now
now,
it's time for Demes to taste the
now the Messi will be the first one to taste the
Oh, yeah.
Who will give the
Mr.
Okay, Sam. What is the best time for you to give him the baby?
Because the the Messi,
Yeah.
you have to drink it. I'll give you in the morning.
Yeah.
Okay.
In the morning, like 4 o'clock or 5 o'clock in the morning.
Yeah.
Okay.
When everybody not yet awake, you have to drink it.
Right.
Woo! Danger.
Data.
After that,
Yeah.
before you sleep.
Only you two.
Huh?
Only you two.
Only me too, baby. Mother.
Baka na pinaka-dems kita sa mga butsira kan ko no mitoka din yon ang bulo pinaka-talent do ng lengo. Sa kabimbi mo na ngunu banawan ni way baka bitya.
Ay, baka
Yeah.
baka
Dikitongan remambula.
Second, the first time someone told us about the
Yeah.
we make fun of it because of the name.
Yeah.
And related to Ombawan dialect,
Yeah.
Elasa.
Yeah.
So when he was explaining the
Yeah.
oh, now we know.
Iya din sir. Ano
Even
mo?
myself, I'm just waiting.
Na way baka bitya biki na ka dar ni ngunu bon demes di ko meron ni bulo totolo.
Right.
Yeah.
Santo na ito
Okay,
yan.
those who are tuning in for BTFM,
Yeah.
if tomorrow morning the message should be on air.
On
Tomorrow
air.
morning, eh?
Yeah.
If he's on air tomorrow, that means he has tasted the
Yes,
Don't
this is
remember
the-
that.
Iyo, Meli Nangalevu, Nina Morel, Bula Binaka Nina Morel, tuning in from.
Ratu tahu maksud siya na nri kau ko itu tu apa tu nata apa nri na tete.
Kuya, awa, mena kirkir, o serangan ko na message na koro.
Iya.
Mertu tambah ka man mena buna.
Iya.
Balata ngo kila i bitile mo na raniti ko dunia dana.
Iya.
Ngo na kaungo retau na kaungo enda tumbu bala tunga ya sani koro.
Oi.
O ko sini tumbu ya sar kena karua, o ko sini buli ka ule besar. Enda utolo lai lai tunga.
Yeah.
Yang balabu.
Nandrau na bukan nri apa?
Nandrau na bakati nandrau ni iba kame nandrau momo to malam balabu.
Yeah.
Oi. Okay.
Iyo.
Santi na. Okay, binak ya. Nanti tadi pakai nata bikin
O ko ya.
Iya.
Kemi
Can it be? Sa naging kuryang na
tu apeliasi kasa mai matuku apeliasi kasa mai matuku. He left New Zealand.
Okay.
He come to Fiji last a few months ago.
Yeah.
To go to now.
Oh, okay.
To
He came back from now.
Iyo, came back
Okay,
from
yeah,
now.
nakakano na karataw.
My sister Salita Devi.
Wakamba kana fan. No. It's a little bit near, but it's not yet.
Oh.
It's near the fan, but it's not yet.
Okay. Alright. Ada tu pakai bikin dah. Ya nasar may tambak memorin tequila.
Mena tambak
Oke,
mai.
oke na medicine ni tapa. Ko na wini tapa.
O ko rato baka na penadol.
Oi.
Yo penadol. O ko ngunu buti ko na bali nga muka songo no wal ni angoy.
Iya.
O ko ngo senga ena pa mamantak na ngomu.
Oi.
Ena pa mamantak na ngomu ko na ngunu buti ko. Ndao ni ngaindamu.
Bukan na oke.
O ko ni sanga ko to ni sanga oti.
Iya.
Dentule ko na tolo nai. Kamu tolong memang kita mai sanga.
Oke.
Nisa sanga oti.
Iya.
Sana lo tu nak kira rai. Pakai mentang damu eh.
Iya.
Oci tahun tu tabaya, tahun tu tabaya. Ngai imbita tu wara kasar tu ngamesa. Sarang ngunu ba tau?
Iya.
Sarang ngunu ba?
Iya.
Iyo, untuk bina kamu wara kasar menganga. Mau kira tahu kenal masa lumio tu.
Bu. Asang ko indina.
Sangga yoko yang go.
Gibi tunde mishi. Kenapa lu sarap itu kani? Ko sa chugur bikim ni ko sa dende.
Sengai.
Saya lu sarap itu malem. Ko chugur bikim ni sa dende.
Ela ba bete buria.
Please give it to Lolombo. Okay, matak na matak.